Hello, my name is Borat. Today I spoke to a man in my mother's graveyard. He say he is from a corpse and he would like me to do some work on his iPhones. I said to him, why do you crap in this graveyard? He said, no, he is from a corpse. I did not repeat the question. I think retardation. High five! High five! Yakshemash! She is my wife. She is dead. Jackie. Go, kids! I love these apps. I love the iPhones. I make a smell. Bang, bang, skid, skid. What's up, Vanilla Face? I have a great days. This iPhones is nice. Do not fear me, Gypsy. All I want from you is your tears. Go, kids! Smash the Jew chick before it hatches! My country sent me to United States to make a movie film. Please, come and see my film. If it's not success, I will be executed. This suit is not black. Thank you.